This is how to convert a file to .glb. Starting from the secured homepage, you can go to Manage Models. From here, go to Upload Model. On this page, you can click out the Check out this file converter button. You can also just go to convert3d.org/convert. From here, click on the GLB converter button. Once on this page, you can click on whatever file format you want under the Convert to GLB tab. For this example, I'll be converting from an FBX to GLB. Once I click that, I can then select my FBX file from my computer. Once selected, it will display what the model looks like, and you can then download the file with this button here. From here, you can follow our upload model tutorial.